Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the world of ASANA for IT project management. If you're in the IT world and you're looking for the best way to manage your projects, you're in the right place. First things first, let's create a new project. You do this by clicking on the plus sign in the top bar and selecting Project. The reason we do this first is that ASANA organizes all your tasks within specific projects, so having a project set up from the start will help keep everything organized. Now that we've done that, it's time to add some tasks. Click on the plus Add Task button and start listing out everything that needs to be done for your project. Each task should be a specific, actionable item. This helps us because it ensures that nothing gets overlooked and that every part of the project has someone responsible for it. Next up, let's assign these tasks. Click on the task, then on the Assignee field, start typing a team member's name and select them. By assigning tasks, we make sure everyone knows exactly what they should be working on, which helps keep the project running smoothly. Great, we now have a project with tasks that have been assigned, but we're not quite done yet. We need to set due dates for our tasks. Click on the task, then on the due date field, select the date. This is crucial because it gives your team a clear deadline for each task and helps keep everyone on track. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. ASANA is keeping track of all these details for you, providing a visual representation of your project through its timeline and calendar features. This means you can see at a glance who's doing what and when they need to finish it by. Let me explain why this matters. In IT project management, it's easy for tasks to get lost in the shuffle, especially in larger projects. But with ASANA's clear visual layout, you can easily keep track of everything and prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. To wrap up, ASANA is a powerful tool for IT project management. By setting up a project, adding and assigning tasks, and setting deadlines, you can keep your projects organized and ensure everyone knows what they need to do and when. That's all for today's guide. Good luck with your IT projects, and see you in the next tutorial.